Welcome to Drone Education Services. Today we're going to be talking about what's on the Part 107 Knowledge Test. Well, the Knowledge Test covers a variety of topics related to manned aircraft flight. The topics include applicable regulations, airspace classification and operating requirements, aviation weather sources, loading and performance, emergency procedures, crew resource management, radio communication procedures, determination of the performance of the craft, the physiological effects of drugs and alcohol, aeronautical decision making and judgment, airport operations, and finally, maintenance and pre-flight inspection procedures.